Hey y'all, today we are making a very good, delicious side dish, okay? Y'all, we are going to chop off the end of this cabbage. This is a very fresh cabbage, y'all. I love cabbage. I don't know about y'all, but I love it. And right here, I'm going to make a V-cut into the core part of this cabbage so it can be easily removed. I did not want to shred this cabbage by hand, y'all, so we're going to use this mandolin, and I got it on the thick part of the mandolin, not the thin slices, but the thick slices. And we're just going to slice up this cabbage until it's all chopped up. Right here, we have a red bell pepper. And what we're going to do, we're just slicing all the sides off of the bell pepper. Now right here, we're going to go ahead and slice it up into like 1/2 inch slices, okay? And then we're going to slice those in half so that way they won't be too large in this coleslaw salad. Right here, I have a jalapeno pepper that I have charred. And right here, I removed the char from the jalapeno pepper. I also moved the seeds. Right here, I have a bowl of the peppers and I sliced up some onions, y'all, okay? Into another bowl, we're going to add some mayo. Y'all, we're going down with the base of this salad, okay? So I put in about 1 1/4 cup of mayo, and I added 3 tablespoons of sugar and a 1/2 lemon, and then those jalapeno peppers that I had charred and chopped up and de-seeded it. We are also going in with 2 cups full of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and some of this celery salt, y'all. Add as much as you like, as less as you like, okay? Let it be however much you want to put in there, your taste buds. And make sure that you always taste your mixture before you put it on top of the cabbage, okay? To make sure that it's your liking. Here we go. Okay, y'all, I had to put on some more gloves for this because I needed to mix this up together very, very well. So I just added the onions and the bell peppers on top of the cleaned the cleaned cabbage that I just washed, okay? You got to wash that cabbage. Make sure you wash that cabbage because cabbage do have dirt on it, okay? We're also going down with this mixture, this delicious mixture that we just made up, okay? Y'all, when I say delicious, yes, very delicious. Y'all need to give it a try, okay? We're going to give this coleslaw, onions, bell pepper, and the sauce that we made for this coleslaw. We're going to give it a very good mix, y'all, to get everything mixed together. We want to make sure all those flavors are in this coleslaw, because we don't want nothing to be dry up in this coleslaw, okay? And y'all, you talking about delicious? Yes, this was some good, delicious coleslaw. And as if that wasn't enough, we're going down with some fresh parsley. Now, y'all know this had to be some good, fresh coleslaw, okay? This coleslaw will go good on anything. It'll be good by itself. You can put it on top of hot dogs. You can put it on top of a hamburger. However you like, okay? Hey, it'll even go good with a piece of baked chicken on the side with this delicious coleslaw. Y'all see how delicious that look? Very delicious. Y'all, we're going to put this coleslaw in a bowl and refrigerate it for at least a day or 2. It's even better the next day, as y'all can see. You got to put all them juices at the bottom. You can't let none of that get away. Put all that in there. We're going to mix it up again and keep on rolling, and we're going to let this sit in the refrigerator for a day or 2. You'll know it's even better the next day, okay? I want to thank y'all. I want to very thank y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all on the next one.